My Account Planning tab. The Planning tab is the second tab on the My Account menu. This tab has 4 submenus: Work Days, Work Times, Open Jobs, and Current Time. Let's take a look at the Work Days submenu. By default, all weekend days are shown as unavailable. We see here, under the column of Description, that they are marked as weekend. To mark additional days as unavailable, click on Add Days. Doing so will expand the menu bar. Here we see the options of selecting one day or several days, as well as a certain time within a day. From the drop-down menu, choose the desired day. You have the option to choose a single day or multiple days. Click on Not Worked to show these days as unavailable. Here we see that they have been added to the list. Under the description, they are marked as Person Unavailable. You can also mark blocks of time as unavailable. For example, if you had an appointment in the morning, but would be available afterwards, you could mark that time slot as unavailable. Just select the start and end times and click Not Worked. Now we can see it marked on the list as unavailable between 8 and 10. Let's take a look at work times. Here is where you set your daily working schedule. This is customizable to your individual working needs. You can set each day of the week with a different start and end time, and you can even set a lunch break time for better planning. This allows for flexible working times and schedules. To change your working schedule, click on Edit. You can change each individual setting as you deem necessary. It's important to keep this information up to date. Managers and clients will use this information when offering jobs. You can also set which days of the week you are completely unavailable. For example, we can uncheck Friday here and then click OK. And now we see it on the work days as a weekend. To add a day of availability, simply check the box. Adjust the start and end times as needed, and click OK. Now let's look at Open Jobs. The Open Jobs submenu shows all your currently running jobs. Here we see that we have 5 open jobs. Clicking on the Counter button will open the match breakdown for that particular job. If we click on View Characters, the breakdown will toggle to show the characters instead of words. This is helpful when prioritizing multiple open jobs. In certain cases, you may not be given the viewing rights. You would then see this notification. Let's talk about project planning. Here, jobs are color-coded according to their status. Jobs marked in red indicate that the job is overdue. Jobs marked in blue are in progress, and a gray job indicates that it has not yet been started. Clicking on the job bar will open a short report window. This is just a brief overview of the job details. This is also helpful when prioritizing. Let's look at current time. Here we see the platform owner's time zone, as well as our company's current time zone. This is important to keep in mind when planning feedback or other communication appointments.